Alexa, welding lights on.
Okay.
All right, so here is the shop. Right now we're storing the mower in here, but we have a vise and we have a table there. We have another workbench here, it's covered in stuff. We have this workbench. That's the arbor press and drill press. And then we have the welder, the argon tanks, grinder. That's my plasma table. This is my new lathe, toolbox, fire cabinet, chop saw, parts cleaner. That's my mill toolbox. Welding table, wire wheels, 20-inch disc sander, 16 maybe. Dust collector, sandblaster. This is the new South Bend. We're gonna put a different motor on it, 3-phase 5-horse motor on it, and one of these things, I can't remember, inverter, whatever, variable speed frequency. So then that's the mill. The power supply for that's supposed to be coming in. Storage. You can see it used to only go to this brick wall here, but then we had it put out to here, and then this barn door, and that goes all the way down the side of the building all the way to there. And this is our storage. So then air compressor sits back here, storage cabinet. That's gonna be installed probably in this fall. And then storage, wood racks. This is where we keep the snowblower and the garden tools and stuff. But yeah, so garage door here going into the backyard, and then all the way that way. And then you can see, if you look out the window here, the chicken coop is out that way, and all our chickens. And then if you come in here, this is the bathroom right here. Paint can rack, wood finishing rack, sharpening table. That's the wood dust collector here. And then we have the main shop. Miter saw, table saw, drill press. That's the shaper, planer. That's the mortiser, bandsaw, wood lathe. This, I think he called it a pin vise. Belt sander, jointer, like an assembly table. There's a loft up there. It's just storage and dust collection for the miter saw. And then there's a tool crib here. There's a bunch of nailers and a bunch of shit in here. Precision tools. That's another tool chest. There's a workbench here. Chisels and hammers and everything you could ever want. There's another grinder. Anyway, that's the shop.